Hi, my name is Li Chen, an application engineer in APAC from Singapore. And today I'm going to demonstrate the inside of sandwich panel structure by continuous fiber fabrication from Markforged. Here are the two parts we're going to demonstrate, with fiber and without fiber. Let's see the workflow. Upload your STL into our cloud-based software Eiger. You should be able to do the slicing online. Select carbon fiber as the reinforced material. In the internal view, you will see the layers information, and color in blue are the layers that printed as carbon fiber. The suggested way to add fiber to sandwich panel style, and meaning to put the fiber on the top and the bottom, and click print, and it will start the printing. We purposely print halfway to show you what is inside the carbon fiber layout looks like. And you finish the part without any post-processing. The test. We clamp the two parts together. The strength comparison is very significant. There is the power of continuous carbon fiber. More information, please come to markforged.com. Thank you.